Yo, what's happening? Back up in here with another one of them things, man. Back up in here with another one. So, y'all know how we starting the videos off nowadays, man. We starting the videos off by showing appreciation, man. I appreciate each and every last one of y'all for taking out the time of your busy day to look at me talk about nothing. Well, maybe it might not be nothing to y'all, but just look at me talk about my stuff and what I got going on. So I really appreciate it. Today, man, I've been going back and forth about what I really want to do as far as things. So I still ain't came to a conclusion as to what I really want to do. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming to here. I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man. And yeah, enjoy those. Enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. With all the stuff that I got going on, especially with MayRose, the box, Firebird, the Jeep, all that. But I have changed my mind on some things. But we ain't gonna get into that right now. Y'all see this right here, my car done became a playground for the kids. I don't even know when they came out here and did that. I was pretty pissed about it, but hey, what I'm gonna do? So, what I have, what I really came up with though is, I don't even know what I did with them. What did I do with them? Did I put them up there? Yeah, it gotta be in there. I got all my I got almost everything I need for this T-top conversion on the Redbird, man, the fried chicken. And I got these good teas right here, y'all seen when I went and got those. Got these good teas. I really want to go ahead and move forward with that to get that out of the way. I really do. You know what I'm saying? Go and get that out of the way. Here go the center section right here. I really want to go ahead and knock that out, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. So I've been looking at some more videos about it. I think I'm finally building up the courage to go ahead and do them. Go outside, show y'all what I'm talking about. It ain't as hard as it seems, but it's very detailed. Y'all know y'all can't see me right now. It's a very detailed process, but all of the stuff is there. Like everything is there. What needs to be, what you need to make a T-top, right? I don't think I showed y'all this. I hope this video ain't dark. I'll show y'all right fast. I'm gonna go and run back in the house. Try to run y'all a straight through video on what's going on. But anyway, so what happens is, hold on, let me make sure. She got this light ain't on. Okay. So what happens is you cut the skin right here. You cut the skin right there up against this edge right here of the hard top.
once you run all this molding out of here, run all the molding out. If y'all can see, I don't know if you can see. Where my phone at? I got something for that. We ain't gonna worry about that. As y'all can see, if y'all look at that headliner, it's T-top shaped already. So everything that's under this right here is empty. Like I'm literally touching this part of the car right now. Right? Okay. So once you pull all this molding out, cut this right here, you can pull up on it a little bit, but you got to cut the silicone out. Cut the silicone out, and it's gonna raise up. You go to the center section up here, go to the center section, do the same thing. You edge around the silicone until it, you know what I'm saying, weakens up enough. You do the same thing on the other side. There's a bar, it's a bar support right here. The bar support right here. You got to cut that out, probably about, cut that about right here, cut it out about right here. So that you don't mess up none of your, you know what I'm saying, none of your measurements or whatnot. Now, I mean, it's like, but once you cut these and you find like everything that needs to be in your water channels and all that, man, you put that in there. You put your hardware in there for the T's, and there you know what I'm saying, and there you have it. So I've been really like procrastinating about it because it's like, man, I don't want to mess it up. But if you take your time, you won't mess it up. There's a lot of things that you can do. I'ma probably get somebody to weld me some pieces in there, because there are some pieces in there that are it's like a little gap. There's like a little gap in there in some pieces. So I am going to probably get a Brand Nasty or Cashapp to go ahead and weld me a couple pieces in there in those spots that ain't even, so that we won't have no water leaking nowhere that it don't supposed to be leaking. And that's pretty much it. I know it sound crazy. It might not though. I mean, it might sound crazy, it might not sound crazy, but yeah, it's just something I wanted to do, man. It's something that's gonna complement that build. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna go. Yeah, I know I'm finna go. I'm finna LS the car. I'm finna swap the car. So why not go ahead and go all out? Cause the car ain't never going nowhere. Like, I never sell that car. I ain't never trying to sell that car. If I ever try to sell that car, or anybody ever try to buy that car from me, you gonna have to be rich, because that was my mama car. She bought that car, man, it was practically brand new. So yeah, yeah, I just can't wait to get started on my T-top swap. Like I said, I got everything. The only thing I don't have is the weather stripping, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the weather stripping out of the car that I got the T-tops from, because it's still there. The weather stripping didn't look bad, so it looked pretty good. So I'm gonna see if it's still up there. I'm gonna go up there and grab that, and then I'm gonna get the ball rolling on that, just to, you know, keep some content coming, because I haven't been posting like I should as far as the content, and I don't like that, because y'all deserve better. Also, with those are gray, so I need to dye those black. Where are my other pieces at? Okay, they in there. There's two of them. This must be a front. No, that's a back. No, it's only two backs. It's only two backs, I think. Yeah, because the fronts are on here. So yeah, man. I apologize for taking so long with this content, man. Life been lifing. I'm trying to recapitalize, regain. I'm trying to regain control over the situation. And bless you. And yeah, I think I'm getting to that point, so I can do a little more. I can do a little more as far as my bills or whatnot. But I want to say that y'all are really gonna enjoy what I have going on. I hope so. Anyway, but yeah, man. It's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't Man himself. Once again, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. I appreciate y'all taking out y'all time to view me. And I'll catch y'all on the next one, man.